everyone, I'm Natasha Gamanjar and we are right here at the China Toy Expo in Shanghai, and right now we're in the Creative Double Star Toy booth, and with me here is Tina, and she's going to tell us more about their company. Hi Tina.
Hi Natasha. Yes. It's very nice to be here. So I'm Tina. I'm the sales manager for Creative Double Star.
Yes.
And now let me introduce a little bit of the company.
Yes.
We were founded in 2008 and we have been in the toys industry for more than like 20 years so far.
Yeah.
We have been specializing in manufacturing, some designing, R&D, sales, of course, in terms of like remote control toys.
That's amazing.
Yeah, RC cars, RC drones, RC animals, RC robots, and all those RC stuff.
That is really cool.
Yeah, so basically we've been working with quite a lot of big wholesalers and retailers in Europe, in the US.
Amazing.
Africa, maybe some of them.
So you're all over the globe as well.
Exactly.
That's amazing. So now I'm curious. I love cars, but I can see lots of cars. But which one is your best seller? Like when you go to the shop, which one is the one that sells the most?
So among the shelves, I think I would strongly recommend this one.
Okay.
And I would love to introduce you to this one, mostly because it's just a license car. Worldwide license, so with global license.
So you have a global license for this one?
Yes, exactly.
That's amazing. Look at that. Gran Turismo, the one in the PS station.
Yes,
wow.
exactly.
That is amazing. Look at how huge that is. I mean, Christmas is approaching, so get your toys ready for your kids.
Exactly.
That is amazing. So I can see that this one is one of your biggest cars. You also have small items and really interesting pieces over here. For example, this one. What's the inspiration between this one over here?
I think because we were famous for RC cars and stunt cars specifically. So this one is kind of like a three-wheel shape compared to those like very commonly seen
four wheels.
Yes. So 3 wheels is definitely a new idea and new inspiration.
And interesting.
Yes, and it looks nice with the 3D kind of like decoration and design. It looks very eye-catching.
It is.
It is selling super
So now how do we get in touch with you? Do you have WeChat? Do you have WhatsApp? Do you have emails? Yes. So if we can see your business card, please. All right. So in the meantime, it's just grabbing that. Let's just come over here and see some of these beautiful machines. Oh, she's back. Yes. All right. So right here, that is her contact details, her WeChat, her email.
This is WhatsApp. This is email.
Yes.
And just in case, this is WeChat.
Okay. So let's hold on over there so that they can see. So do add her WeChat and also many different types of contacts. If you're different parts of the world, they also have WhatsApp as well. And I thank you so much for inviting us into your booth. Thank you so much. All right. Okay, bye everyone.